Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you share this video. Click on that subscribe button and also click on that bell notification so that you will not miss out on any single updates that I'll be dropping for you guys, so that you will not miss out on any single update. So do yourself a favor and do us a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Click on the bell notification. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on GBPUSD. So let's start with our weekly time frame. So we are going to analyze our movement from the weekly time frame down to our forward time frame and understand what market is doing. Now let's start with our weekly time frame. Let's zoom it out. What can you see right on the trend? What is your trend? Before you take any trade, you would want to know the trend of that trade. So what can you clearly see on this our GBPUSD? So you can see that our trend on GBPUSD is very much an uptrend move. So this is our impulsive move. So if you take a look at this, right, within this impulsive move, there was a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Then here comes the corrective phase. Within this corrective phase, there was a series of lower low and a lower high where market was dropping. Then here is the impulsive move, which gave a series of higher high and an higher low, right? A series of higher high and an higher low. Then here comes the corrective phase. In this corrective phase, there is a series of lower low and a lower high, a series of lower low and a lower high, and guess what? Here comes the impulsive move. So you can see that within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and an higher low, higher high and an higher low. Then here comes the corrective phase. Now with this corrective phase, our corrective phase is over. So basically, GBPUSD will be giving us that bullish move that will form an impulsive move. So basically, this movement now, this our prediction that we are doing right now is for position traders. Now, if you're a position trader and you would want to build in your position for the next 5 months, 6 months, or even 7 months, now is still the best time and now is still the best opportunity to go ahead and go take your buy on GBPUSD, because in the long run, probably in the next 6 months to 12 months, market should give us that bullish move that we take out this previous high. So with such a movement, you should be expecting about 100 pips, 800 pips, sorry. So you should be expecting about 800 pips. So 800 pips is very much possible if you can hop in now and hold your position for the next 6, 7 months or even 12 months. 800 pips is possible, and even 1,000 pips is actually possible. So this is still the best time for position trader to hop in for the buy. So with this movement right here, now we will want to predict what market will be doing for this week. So we can see that these are week 1 of market opening and closing bullish for the week. This is our week 2 of market opening and closing bullish. This is week 3 of market opening and closing bullish, and here comes the week 4 of market opening and close bullish. So this week 5 is what we are predicting for, and we will be expecting market to open and close bullish. So that is to tell you that this week GBPUSD will be giving us a bullish move. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, so you understand what market is doing. So what is market doing here? So let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is your high, here comes your higher low. This is your higher high. Here comes higher low. This is higher high. Here comes higher low, right? This is your higher high. Here comes higher low, right? Now market pushed up. If you see we had this higher high, you can see the wick candlestick close above this previous candlestick here. Then here comes the higher low. So our next movement on GBPUSD is another bullish move that will be giving us an higher high. So guys, this week also, this is a confirmation on our daily time frame that we will be going a bullish for the week. Now let's sit on the forward time frame for final. You can see that market is ranging within this level. So we can see that once market drops to the support level, tend to see a rejection that will bounce up. Then markets came back to this our support level. We had a rejection that bounced up to our resistance, right? Markets eventually came back to this our support level. So we will be expecting a rejection then we bounce it up again. So for day traders, we will also be going bullish. So from weekly time frame to daily time frame to our 4-hour time frame, all says we are going bullish for the week. So be expecting a bullish move for the week on GBP USD. So subscribe so you will not miss out on the next updates.